Hi, today we're going to be talking about a low-profile base plate for the Taurus PT111 G2 as well as the 45 version, and this should also work for the new Taurus G2C. So before we begin, let's double check that the pistol here that we're using is clear, and as you can see, there's nothing in the chamber. So this is the PT111 G2. And the base plate that comes with these pistols is a pinky grip version, and it comes with both the magazines that you get with the gun. So it's really nice when you're just shooting with it because you can fit all three of your fingers onto the grip, and you can control it and get a better purchase on it that way. But when you're concealed carrying this gun, which this gun is very popular for that purpose, that curved edge there really can stick out a lot and make it somewhat obvious that you're carrying. So I have developed a low profile base plate that is 3D printed out of nylon that is very easy to interchange with the existing base plate that comes with the gun, but it provides a much lower profile and snag-free design, and it really reduces the amount of printing that you do when you're concealed carrying this gun. So let me put it in the gun here so you can see what it looks like at the end of the magazine. I've designed it so that it matches the profile of the existing grip and nothing sticks out, so that it won't snag your shirt or anything like that. You can see there's no sharp corners, and it fits really well. So the main reason I print these out of nylon is because of the durability and the flexibility of nylon. It's very strong, a very strong material. It doesn't scratch easily, and it's not brittle like a lot of the other plastics. ABS is another typical plastic that you 3D print with. But nylon, as you can see here, I'll bend it. It's very flexible. I mean, not so flexible that it will just fall off the magazine, but it's flexible, so if you drop it, it's going to give rather than fracture. I can flex it a little bit. It's kind of hard to see in the video. It's stiff, but it stretches rather than stresses the plastic. So let's show you how to actually exchange the base plate on these magazines. So here's one with the original on it still. And on the bottom of the magazine, there's a hole in the base plate. It just so happens that a 22 round fits exactly in that hole, and you have to depress a little piece of the metal retainer so that you can slide off the base plate. The base plate slides forward off of the magazine. So I'm going to depress that now, and then push it forward with my thumb, and it slides right off. And you can see that there is a metal retainer that actually holds the pressure for the spring of the magazine. So the plastic portion is not doing any structural or not under stress of the spring at all, which is an important feature. The original one just has these grooves in it and slides right into the grooves of the magazine itself. So let me put it back on here and show you that one more time. It kind of snaps in. So to make it easier to slide on, you push down on this metal portion a little bit, it relieves a little bit of stress, and you can pop it right in place. Snaps right in. So again, you just push that in, slide forward, and it comes right off. So exact same way, you slide that on there, push this down a little bit, and it snaps right in place. And it's tight, and I can pull real hard. It doesn't come off, it doesn't flex too much. So let me put that in the gun. And works really well. So these are available to purchase on my website and on eBay as well. I have that in the listing description below, or not the listing description, the YouTube description below here. You can click on either of those links, and I have it in black or just natural nylon color. I don't think I've sold hardly any of these natural ones, which is to be expected. But if you ever have any other needs for guns or anything else that you want 3D printed and designed, you can also contact me using the custom request form on my website, and I'd be glad to help you with that. Thank you.